Local levy funding plays an important role in creating a well-rounded educational experience for students in Spokane Public Schools. The levy fills the gap between what the state funds and the actual cost of programs. While the state funds basic education, it does not fund many of the programs and staff who create the high-quality educational system for our students that our community expects. Levies make possible elementary classes like science and music, as well as secondary classes like honors and AP courses, foreign language options, and specialty art classes. This important local funding ensures we meet the needs of our nearly 31,000 students. For example, the state funds only 5 of our 41 school nurses. Levy dollars ensure we have enough nurses to serve all our 54 schools. The same is true for school counselors, technology staff, and custodians. It is the community's support that ensures our schools can create excellence for everyone. The replacement levy will be on your ballot February 9th. Please remember to vote. For more information, visit SpokaneSchools.org/levy.